In this video, I will show how to open Microsoft Outlook without an account. So press Windows key plus R. Press Windows key plus R. Now type here outlook.exe. Now space backslash PIM space no N capital email E capital and click on OK. So type like this and click on OK. So this way you can open Outlook. So this way you can open Outlook without an account. Actually, I don't have Outlook in my system, so it shows this error. But if you have Outlook, so you can open it using this run command. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.